Fishing seems to be the in hobby right now. And when I take my dog for a walk, I meet this guy who's got a dog as well, and I've told him before that I'm a vegan. I don't believe in exploitation of animals and all that. He keeps telling me about this fishing hobby he's got. You know, it's kind of hard. I've given up with him. Like, I can't. How many times can you say I don't? You know, I just go, oh, okay, yeah, all right, yeah, I'll go like that. So. But he keeps going on about the fishing. Now, I don't approve of fishing. I don't think it's an ethical hobby or an ethical sport. I don't believe that human beings have the right to exploit, harm, and stress out other creatures. She's doing it. Just let the animals be. Just let them do what they're doing. You know, fishing. You know, you're throwing a hook into the water, and fish biting on the bait, and then they're getting a hook in the mouth. They're getting dragged out of their environment. They're fighting. They don't want to be caught. They're fighting. They're stressed. You know, is that right? Is that right? Would you like it? Would you like that done to you? Would you like someone to trap you? You know, by your mouth, pull you from your mouth. There's loads of arguments that the hook doesn't harm the fish's mouth, it doesn't hurt the fish. But how do we really know? How do we know? The fish is getting stressed, isn't it? So how do we really know that it's not harming the fish? How do we really know it's not hurting the fish? We don't really know. So, you know, I'm really for fishing. Well, I say that, I'm not for fishing. I don't believe in harming anything. I've got loads of hobbies. I don't believe in harming. What is that? Look at this. I'll zoom up. What is that? I can't see from here because I'm noise on. A fish kind of bird. I don't know my birds. I'm not very good on birds. The ones with feathers anyway. Yeah, so fishing. I'm not really a big fan of, you know, fishing. I don't really want to hear about what you caught either, really. I just want to, you know, there's plenty of hobbies to do out there where you don't have to harm or exploit animals or use animals for fun. Just do something else. Do something else. Jump out of a plane or something, or bungee jump or something. You know, do something where where you're not affecting another being. You know, you don't have to. Everything human beings do seem to involve hurting some kind of an animal. You know, what is that? It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. See, what I'd say is give up the fishing, give up the rods. Do something that doesn't harm other beings. Do something that's ethical, non-harming.